Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and you're watching me right here on this channel. I'm Billy and yes, you're watching Billy Snaps on YouTube. Kindly subscribe. If you're new on this channel, do also hit the bell icon and please tap on the notification for you to get everything that we're gonna post right here. We've said we are gonna post everyday content for you. So today it's raining and we wanted you to come with us so that you can see how Amasamai is looking like when it rains at Amasamai. Is it so boring to always come around when it's raining at Amasamai? How do people react towards the situation right now as construction is ongoing on and it's raining? How difficult it is and also how easy it is for people who are living in the vicinity of Amasamai and also who are using the stretch of Amasamai right over here. Come with me, let's have this talk together. Alright, so in the video you can see that I was just on a motorbike, just riding along this place, and I'm going to walk as well. So this is a stretch of the stadium road leading to Udi Ayankan's house. That's the football hotel, and this is my route where I stay to always bring you an update. And I travel all the way from this place to the nearest and where I want to get to the outlet. So you can see it has rained very heavily, and a lot of people have stopped walking to just make sure that they wouldn't get wet as they are going to their various workplaces and what they're going to do around. So I was just riding and getting to this street. I needed to buy something to just eat because I was so hungry. So I bought some watches to just eat, and after that I needed to continue my journey. This is opposite where the bricks is the affordable house, the Pokwase affordable house that the president of Ghana just initiated 2 bills. So that is the Pokwase affordable house. On my left, that's the bricks wall that they've laid. Yes, so I'm heading towards the main road of the stadium road junction. So they are still constructing the road. You can see that there are machines and tractors and other materials which are going to be used right here at the section of the road where they are constructing this mega road. It's going to be a long overpass, and you can see how difficult it is when it's raining, and at the same time they are in the rain trying to make sure that they complete their task which has been given. So this is a stretch from the Stadium Road Junction to Amasamai. I'm going to get you all the video as it rains right over here, how Amasamai is looking like in 2024 in April, how this place is looking like as it rains right over here. Let's continue. They are still working. As you can see, this is the mega overpass bridge that they are constructing, and it's taking a long time because it has to be inspected. They have to go through the inspection. They have to go through a lot of materials to be fixed. Every needed material which is around should be inspected before they can just finish. So I'm now down to walk you through over here. And nante ne yakupiem e Amasamai Portemo baby. Na monso mo internet so mutumi ho senia so to isifa eye we Amasamai ikono Stadium Junction ɛhɔ no kase na original this 40 electro na ofia ɛkwan no ayɛ so small, ayɛ very very small. So say if no omo air constructed bridge kase ɛwɔ nti ɛkwan no ma ana ayɛ 2 lanes, but bus stop ɛsanso ɛwɔ Stadium Junction ɛhɔ ti ama emu ayɛ 20 so say after we to kwan aba Amasamai pa na say so maybe I want to say something very very careful because I drivers no they go eco speed as I say the foot no adults when you say eco speed na una so drivers also money passengers passengers also money drivers because now we are and to the boss our car so we accident because accident bad me sacrifice I could be a nipper or car who near a show. I had to say over here be red was see I say one woman car I could share trailer be a sea or young to show more you should acquire motion in some trains. The phone Mumbai school come on someone actually but more than 7 and 10 so that we will let you know how this place is looking like. So on the far, right hand side now, I want to say a grade level you can pass there, and in the middle stretch and all the they say you record that even there is an accident I see what into no you say more update or it is a trailer now for cement and so all they call location and say minimum acquire fast by what me if my right hand side lane echo some echo join lane coming to Accra on my right hand side na point in case kidnapper na e dmo ho aka kom and na say car na e ben ho ara instance motor car plano and say yeah sama essence so no eto no yes opportunity so mo we to kwana mo get it no you very careful mo apply brakes now mo very careful na anto things we brake na eto no and I say pay information we gather no ye din ya be so nti no ye kono be say mo hwe say na kwana so aye wonu say amasama aye so busy ye kan dia Ofankor road na mo ye no a mega road ama bia be so hu every little update there to abia no you be so hu kura want to show send the kind of channel we so subscribe to the channel. Please do well to hit on the bell icon no and say the see bia no also nya bi ahwe o hwa from ho aye hwe omo ye gata kese pa e fa se wa da the other end so kese bi e da ho e fa to the international say such an be very careful very careful of a mono yes it's a danger zone and construction no say construction job bia and get extra careful on the Amasama road. It's a long time I make call on sound to get to the app. I'm going there to get to the app so that you also can just see what is happening at the sound areas. And we are the only best channel that you can watch Billy Snaps when we see you snap. See who there you try na brother also maybe actually who there. I just say you name you who there won so be ahwe oh we will be into so follow the channel, share the channel. Let's get more people to interact with us right over here into share so that hono into no sha e kwaye wie mpo na so etata so wie a e be hwe sene so e be mo se me nko John Tai me nko achimota area ho so that etata no be some ho yes mo akwentu no da said bia mo hwe e wo abrochimai. We thank you all, those who are in the abroad, those who are in the state, those who've traveled all over, moving around. We thank you for always watching our videos and sharing for us, because without you, we are nobody. Now, my Kai will say, we all know, you bear with me that I've been saying that we are spending a lot of money to, rent drones to work for. It's not easy. My drone has been crashed, and it's not easy. I'm not finding it so easy to continue, flying drones around, because I can't be renting every day that way. Please, if you are watching and you have any support to support me, I will be so happy. If you have any token to help me, you can call the number on your screen. If you have any support or an amount that you want to donate to us, so that Bliss Snaps, we can just get ourselves a drone to work with, we'll be so happy. If you have any gadgets concerning coverage, either is a camera, a GoPro, a 360 camera, a drone that you want to help out with, a lens, please, you can come along with, so that we can also continue working. We want to expand, we want to create more content that you can love to watch, and we are ready to help. We are the only media that we are bringing what the TV and the national media are not bringing on board. So we are there to always give you all the exclusives that you can just get. So then I decided to go a little bit further for you to know how the accident I was talking about. It is about the trailer just went down. And just look at it, the angle that it's showing is very close. So if in case you're walking there, you should be very, very careful of all the vehicles around. Those who are sitting on the street, please be careful. If you know anyone who sells on this street, please let the person be careful of how he's just using the stretch. So let's still continue our tour. Yeah, share senior our summer in Sutua, as if I send a chrono at Iron. If I say who say Debiano, Sanabe, and I say Suno, a tosana, send a chrono as if I intino. In per se, over now, like I say, I am a summer dear, and Suno and toy intino, and as in Suno to cry, baby. Never be a hobby and I okay, Rabbi. Please get closer and watch this video so that you can be careful of how the road is. So that we'll try and wait me on a quinto is the fun. Alright, so let's still continue our tour. I'll be taking you through many more right over here. It is an opportunity for you to build your perfect home and company right in Ghana. Are you looking for a perfect place to buy your land? Are you looking for a litigation-free land and registered? Are you looking for a serene environment to stay? Then this is an opportunity for you to build your dream home and company. I introduce you to a spacious litigation-free and registered 2 plots of land located at the Pokwasi-Ablekuma Highway stretch. It is just 1 minute drive from the Pokwasi interchange and 25 minutes drive from the Kotoka International Airport. It is a 2 plot of land measuring 70 by 200 and close to the structure of the owner who is selling the land. Opposite is the West Home Hotel on the left stretch, which links the Accra to Kumasi Highway and Accra to Cape Coast Highway. The 2 plot of land is in good shape and in good condition, which has a landmark of schools, hospitals, companies, real estate, restaurants, hotels, and many more. The 2 plots of land is having 3 sides of roads around it, and it goes for $130,000 and it is negotiable. You can call these numbers if interested on 0544 673363 0544 673363 or the UK number +44 79 31 31 0063 +44 79 31 31 0033. I will report to you. What's up? Tiens, Brother. Sama hero ama sana. forward.